Maybe you have created a table in Word, and after the table is finished and has been filled with writing in it, you just remember that the table is still lacking, so you want to add another table below it. However, you are confused about how to add it, so I will provide a tutorial. First of all, select all or part of the table that will later be added to the table below. Then you right-click on the mouse and select Insert. Then select Insert Rows below. Now it will automatically add a table below in the form of new columns and rows. That's how to add a table to the bottom in Microsoft Word. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for you. See you in the next video.